Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello viewers, today I'm going to share with you one of best night cream which really need for our anti-aging skin. This really can boost a lot of collagen on our skin and it protect our skins. This night cream's name is Luminesce Advanced Night Repair. When the skin's cellular renewal process at the most active in the nighttime, Advanced Night Repair Cream works best at the nighttime. This is one of luxury night cream. It soothes and moisturizes skin while we sleeping. At night time, before I go to bed, I wash my face with warm water and then I put my night cream, and this night cream soothes the skin while we sleep. This is the cream, like this. It's not too heavy. It can repair the skin faster than other cream. It can prevent environmental damage and reduce fine line. While we using this cream, the skin will look much youthful and fresh. The advanced formula penetrates the skin with collagen and it begins the rehydration process. This anti-aging night cream has a lot of antioxidant and it helps to blemish the wrinkles. While we using this night cream, our skin can glow more and it rejuvenation the skin. It will reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles of our skin. This anti-aging skincare night repair cream can make skin soft, lighter and youthful. If you like this video, please don't forget to press like button and subscribe the channel, and also I'll put the link below for this night repair cream. Then please let me know how you feeling about this cream on the comments box. Thank you so much for watching.